Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, let's check if they're enabled. Press Windows plus R, type MSINFO32, and press Enter. In the System Information window, look for Secure Boot State. It should say On. Then, press Windows plus R again, type TPM.MSC, press Enter and check if TPM is available and version 2.0. If either one says Off or Not Available, we'll need to enable them. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the key shown on your screen. On HP laptops and desktops, press the ESC key repeatedly at startup, then press F10 to enter BIOS setup. In BIOS, go to the Advanced tab, select Boot Options, and find Secure Boot. Set it to Enabled. Save changes with F10 and restart. While still in BIOS, go to the Security tab. Find TPM device, sometimes listed as Embedded Security Device. Make sure it's set to Available and TPM state is enabled. Also, confirm the TPM version is 2.0. Save your settings, then restart back into Windows. After restarting, check System Information again to confirm Secure Boot is on and TPM 2.0 is active. Now, launch Valorant, and Vanguard should start without the Secure Boot or TPM error. And that's it. You've fixed the Valorant TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot error on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.